Peas are looking really good this year. I've got them climbing this trellis here, and I've used a cattle panel for a trellis. I like to reuse this every year. There are plastic ones on the market. I have found that getting the peas off of the plastic can be difficult, but peeling them right off of this metal frame is a lot easier, and it doesn't break the trellis. And I just store this behind the garage and bring it out and set it up with T-posts every year. I find that I like radishes and turnips, but not a ton of them. So I use the space on either side of the peas here for one row of radishes on one side and a row of salad turnips on the other. And the radishes obviously grow a lot faster than the salad turnips. But these are so delightfully delectable, and I'm really looking forward to, in a couple of weeks, these things being sized up to eat. But the radishes are tasting great right now.